Hey students, today we are going to do some MCQs from surface chemistry and it will be whole NCERT exemplar MCQs. Okay, so let's get started. So our first question is, which of the following process does not occur at interface of phases? So our answer is homogeneous catalysis. Okay. At equilibrium, the position in the process of adsorption is which of the following interface cannot be obtained? The term sorption stands for both absorption and adsorption. Okay. Extent of physisorption of a gas increases with decrease in temperature. Decrease in temperature. Temperature decrease. Extent of adsorption of adsorbate from solution phase increases with increase in amount of adsorbate in solution. Which one of the following is not applicable to the phenomena of adsorption? Which of the following is not a favorable condition for physical adsorption? Physical adsorption of gaseous species may change to chemical adsorption with increase in temperature. In physisorption, adsorbent does not show specificity for a particular gas because involves van der Waals forces which are universal. Physisorption. Which of the following is an example of absorption? Water on calcium chloride. H2O plus CaCl2. On the basis of data given below, predict which of the following gases show least adsorption on definite amount of charcoal. H2. Critical temperature and gas. On the basis of critical temperature, in which of the following reactions heterogeneous catalysis is involved? B and C, because here gas and here solid. Okay, here you can see solid and this is gas, so it is heterogeneous catalysis. At high concentration of soap in water, soap behaves as associated colloid. Which of the following show Tyndall effect? Aqueous solution of soap above critical micelle concentration. Method by which lyophobic sole can be protected by addition of lyophilic sole. Freshly prepared precipitate sometimes get converted to colloidal solution. Peptidization. Which of the following electrolyte will have maximum coagulation value for AgI and Ag plus sole? So our answer is Na3PO4. because what will happen is PO4 3 minus. Okay. A colloidal system having a solid substance as a dispersed phase and a liquid substance as dispersion medium is classified as SOL. Solid, liquid. You can learn it by solid and here it is liquid. So just take two sentences forming SOL, SOL. Okay. The values of colligative properties of colloidal solution are a small order in comparison to those shown by the solutions of same concentration because of colloidal properties are comparatively less in number. Arrange the following diagrams in correct sequence of steps involved in mechanism of catalysis in accordance with modern adsorption theory. So our answer is this one. Firstly, they came and they get bind with like this, and then what is happening is branching between those A and B, and then okay, so you can see two products are formed, so our answer is 2. Which are the following process is responsible for formation of delta at place where river meets the sea? Coagulation. Which of the following curves is in accordance with Freundlich absorption isotherm? This one is. Which are the following process is not responsible for presence of electric charge on Sol particles? Absorption of ionic species from solution. Which of the following phenomena is applicable to the process shown in figure 5.1? You can see the picture. Solution of raw sugar yellowish brown and column of animal charcoal colorless solution of sugar. So our answer goes to adsorption, animal charcoal, you can see here. Okay, now in the following questions 2 or more options may be correct. Which of the following options are correct? Micelle formation by soap in aqueous solution occurs above a particular concentration. On dilution of soap solution, micelles may revert to individual ions. Which of the following statements are correct about solid catalysts? Same reactants may give different products by using different catalysts. Catalyst does not change H plus of reaction. Delta H of reaction. Freundlich absorption isotherm is given by expression x upon m equal to k, x upon m equal to kp to the power 1 upon n. Okay. Which of the following conclusions can be drawn from this expression? 1 and 3. When 1 upon n equal to 0, then absorption is independent of pressure, because here you can see x upon m equal to k to the power 0, so this becomes 1. So x upon m equal to k. Okay, and now when n equal to 0, x upon m v graph is a line parallel to x-axis. X upon n equal to k p to the power 1 upon 0, which gives x upon m equal to k p to the power infinity. Okay, H2 gas adsorb on activated charcoal to a very little extent in comparison to easily liquefiable gas due to very weak van der Waals forces and very low critical temperature. Which of the following statements are correct? Presence of equal and similar charges on colloidal particle provides stability to the colloids. Brownian movement stabilizes the soles. An emulsion cannot be broken by adding one or more amount of dispersion medium and adding emulsifying agents. Which of the following substance will precipitate the negatively charged emulsions? KCl and NaCl. Which of the following colloid cannot be coagulated easily? Reversible colloids and lyophilic colloids. What happens when a lyophilic sol is added to lyophobic sol? Lyophobic sol is protected and film of lyophilic sol is formed over lyophobic sol. This is lyophilic and this one is lyophobic. Okay, protection is done by lyophilic. Which of the following phenomena occurs when an electric field is applied to a colloidal solution and electrophoresis is prevented? Electroosmosis takes place and dispersion medium begins to move. In a reaction, catalyst changes physically and qualitatively. Which of the following phenomena occurs when a chalk stick is dipped in ink? Adsorption of colored substance and absorption of solvent. Absorption of solvent and adsorption of colored substance. Okay, now we will do some matching type question. Match the items of column 1 and column 2 in following questions. Method of formation of solution in a given column 1. Match it with the type of solution given in column 2. So sulfur vapor passed through cold water, molecular colloids. Soap mixed with water above critical micelle concentration is associated colloid. White of egg whipped with water, macromolecular colloid. Soap mixed with water below critical micelle concentration is normal electrolytic solution. Match the statement given in column 1 with the phenomena given in column 2. Dispersion medium moves in an electric field. Electroosmosis. Solvent molecule pass through semi-permeable membrane towards solvent side. Reverse osmosis. Solvent molecule pass through semi-permeable membranes towards the solvent site. Movement of charged colloid particles under the influence of applied electric potential towards oppositely charged electrodes is electrophoresis. Solvent molecule pass through semi-permeable membrane towards the solution side is osmosis. Protective colloid. Lyophilics are protective colloids. Liquid colloid. Emulsion. Positively charged colloid FeCl3 and hot water, and negatively charged colloid is FeCl3 and NaOH. Match the types of colloid solution given in column 1 with the name given in column 2. Solid in liquid, sol. Liquid in solid, gel. Liquid in liquid is emulsion, and gas in liquid is foam. Gas in liquid. Match the items of column 1 and column 2. Dialysis, purification, peptidation is colloidal sol formation, and emulsification is cleansing action of soap, and electrophoresis is coagulation. Match the items of column 1 and column 2. Butter, dispersion of liquid in solid. Pumice stone is dispersion of gas in solid. Milk is dispersion of liquid in liquid, emulsion, and paints is dispersion of solid in liquid. Okay. All the best for your examinations.